All right, so it's been a while since I showed you my bus. That's because I've been busy with other things like my job that I actually have. Anyways, I took out all the bus seats. Eventually, I just did that. I needed a friend to hold a bolt on top while I unscrewed it, or like on the bottom of the bus. And then I also got the wheelchair lift out, which was actually a lot easier than I expected it to be. There was only 8 bolts attaching it to the bottom. So I got that out, and yeah, so now it's everything is all my junk in here. So, well, I mean, I put it all into a dump anyways. It was like 200 pounds. I just pushed it off the side. I have been having some leaks, like on the wheelchair lift door, and I guess where my plants are. I put my plants here because I'm a plant guy. Anyways, so I have a bunch of junk here. I have my fridge working. Everything's powered by solar. But I am going to do today, I'm going to, I guess, install this Maxx Air fan. I also have my bed frame all done as well. I mean, not all done. It's kind of creaky, and I don't know if you can see it, but that's like completely slanted. My friends say this just might fall apart in my sleep, and I just might die. So at least I have a, what is that? A fire alarm. So if it starts to burn up in my sleep, I should be good. Hopefully. I haven't actually tested it with a real fire because I don't want to start a fire in my bus. Or I guess I could bring it somewhere else, but Now, before I begin breaking my bus completely, I want to remind you to triple click that like button for the YouTube algorithm, as this bus isn't going to break itself. So I need your help to break my bus. Just break my bus. Just break it down. Okay, on to breaking it. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do, my bad glasses, is I'm going to start drilling into my roof up here. I'm not sure you can see. I put like 1 million plastic bags up there because it's fiberglass, or at least I think it's fiberglass, my bus, which is supposedly really itchy. And maybe that's why I've been itching a lot, or maybe it's the bugs, I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna drill 4 corners in here, and then I'm gonna start angle grinding that, and hopefully it'll be really easy, and I can just plug and play, put that in there, screw it in, and we'll have a good time. But we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to start the drilling now. Wink. All right, so here I am on my roof again, where I had my solar panels and a lot of dirt. Anyway, so I have started to drill into the 4 corners here. I taped like an outline of the box thing the Maxx Air fan came in, and yeah, and now I'm going to use my angle grinder to carve out a little bit, like where I trace the black lines. I'm not going to use the drill anymore, because I think that was just more like to get the 4 corners, make sure it was good underneath, which honestly I had too many bags under there, but I think it was fine. It wasn't like, I was just concerned it was going to like hit a light or something, but it should be fine where it is. If I did this again, I probably would have moved it a little bit away from this little opening right here. But I think it should be fine. We'll see though, I guess. if my whole roof just caves in and I die, you'll see. But I'm gonna angle grind this now. Last time on the adventures of cutting my roof open, I broke my angle grinder. So, to replace it, I got something useful for the job. The worst, the worst jigsaw you can find at Lowe's, like $30 jigsaw, because I don't see any other uses for this, for me, for a long time, because all I'm gonna do is cut the roof open. So, hopefully this will work, and I can just cut through this roof and seal it up, because all right, so I have drilled, or the cutter, what is it called? The jigsaw actually works, and it actually cut through my roof. The hard part though was getting through the metal. I'm not sure if that's, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's this black stuff like right here. And I don't know if that's mold. Hopefully it's not mold. But anyways, instructions said to put like butyl tape under there, like after you put it in. It's not even bolted in or anything, or I just put this in there to see if it'll fit, and it fits, fortunately. So anyways, instructions say to put butyl tape. I don't have that. What I do have is flex tape. It's not double-sided though, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. Ooh! That was weird. Anyways, I might try to flex tape it. I probably will do a lot of caulking though, so hopefully that should be enough, and maybe I can flex tape after that. But yeah, I'm going to try to caulk it and flex tape it now. And then eventually I'll put on the cover, which is right down there. I don't know what this piece is for. I don't know, but I will figure this out. I think the cutting was probably the hardest part. So trying to figure it out.